As a mom of twins, I clean a lot of bottles. So having something like this that has so many different options, it is definitely something that I think is gonna help save a lot of time. Let's take a look. So straight out of the bag, it gives you two options. One is a small one. This is gonna be really great to be able to do pump parts and other small things. And I love this one. It is really large, but you can see that you can squeeze it. So it's really gonna get into those bottles. And I really think that's cool. I've kind of never seen one that has this squish on the top, but also these bristles. I will say everything is really soft. So this does feel like it's gonna help clean and get the milk and the formula out, but it's not gonna scratch or hurt any of the glass or plastic bottles that we use. Here is the base, and it's super simple to be able to attach the head to it. It is rechargeable, which I love. Power on and off right here. Let's get cleaning.
I had some bottles to wash like I always do, and I popped on the larger head since I have a bunch of these bottles, and it took actually seconds to clean the entire bottle and get out everything that was inside. I loved how it really sudsed up and it got in all the different nooks and crannies. This is going to be fantastic for bottles, but also for all of my pump parts that have those tiny little nooks and crannies. I love that it is BPA free and it is silicone. It is something that you can use in the water, so it is so great to be able to keep it clean, and it has a long battery. The quality is great.